Morning, folks. Welcome back. It's really cloudy. It's about 40 degrees. The sun is just now peeking through the clouds. It was supposed to have been sunny out an hour ago. But anyway, so this is what I've got. This is what I have for kale and Swiss chard powdered capsules that I made up. This is about 60. I take 2 a day. I do not know the vitamin content, folks. I do not know. These are size 0. Let me get it so you can see it. Size 0 capsules. They're about an inch long. And they're supposed to hold 500 milligrams of powdered stuff, right? So I packed them right full. So I do not know the nutritional value of those, but I take 2 a day. Now, these are not meant to replace your fruits and vegetables or anything else. This is just an added supplement, okay? An added supplement. You're not going to get your fiber out of those 2 pills, all right? So, my capsule maker is a small one. It makes 24 capsules to one time, and it takes 1 rounded, really heaping tablespoon of vegetable powder. So there's 1 rounded heaping amount, tablespoon, in each 24 capsule segment, I guess. So really, all in all, you're not getting very much powder in each pill, all right, each capsule, but you're getting something, and it's something that is going to go to waste if you leave it out in your garden or compost it. It still has nutrition in it. You know where it came from. You know how it grew, and you knew how it was handled and all of that, right? So I would rather take 15 minutes to make 60 caplets, a month's worth of caplets or capsules, than to throw it away. It's something, right? So it took me 15 minutes to make a month's worth of vitamins, folks, all right? And this right here is going to be kept in a cool, dark environment, right? Dry environment. So what I really should do is, hold on just a second. Okay, so what I should do is some of my dried Swiss chard. What I should do is take a handful of these, right? A handful of these, average size dried leaves, and I should powder them up to see how much or how many average size leaves make a tablespoon of powder, and then divide that by 24, and that'll give me some indication, or a better indication, of how much greenage I am getting per pill, right? It's something, folks. I'd rather do that than see it go to waste. That's just how I think. So it's just a supplement. It is not to replace your fruits and vegetables. You can add garlic to your powder. You can add cayenne to your powder. You can add whatever supplement, turmeric. You can add anything that you want to your powder and mix it all up. You will be getting something, right? Something. I've got the geese up in my garden, folks. So I've got several of these, and some are meant for the ducks and birds. So anytime they see me walking around with this, they follow me all around thinking it's treats, right? So that's why the geese have come up here, because I usually have odds and ends of bread to feed them, right? So while I am here, let's just take this Swiss chard leaf. You want it so it's crumbly, folks, okay? And that midrib, make sure that is crunchy and it snaps, all right, because this part here will dry a whole lot faster than that midrib, so you want to check it in the middle, and you want to check it way down on the end. Okay, that is brittle, and what I do is just take my clean hand, and I just scrunch it up, folks, and then I will just put it into like small flakes, and I will throw them in my blender. I'll have to start my generator, plug my blender in, blend it up to a powder, and when it's dry, folks, and you don't add too much at a time, it blends in no time, maybe 10 seconds, maybe at that. And then it takes about 15 minutes to make 60 vitamin caplets. So that's a month's worth of vitamins that were basically free, folks, basically free. And I'm not sure if there'll be another video or not. I've got a lot to do, and I've got to go to bed early tonight because I start my work week, right? Now, some of you are guessing what I do for work. Now, most of you know that I used to work in the mental health field for many, many, many years. That's what I've got all my college training in, all my experience. And I am completely out of that field right now, doing something totally new, totally different, and something that I never even considered doing for a line of work, and I kind of fell into this line of work. Some of you are trying to figure out what I do for work. So my full-time job, I'll give you a hint, and if you can guess it, you got it right, all right? If you can guess it. I work outside. I work way out in the open. I work in all the elements that you can even possibly imagine. It is hard physical work. It is busy work. It is very dangerous work. And there is a lot of training. And I work with $42 million equipment, folks. So what are your thoughts? What do you think? Now, I know at least 3 of you know what I do for a job now. And this camera is acting up, so I might be out of sync. I think I might be out of sync, but don't pay attention to my mouth. Just listen to my words. So some of you already know what I do for a line of work now. One of my jobs, my full-time job. But for those of you who are guessing, give it your best shot. I'll let you know. Thank you. Bye-bye.